아리랑 스페셜.
세 사람을 거기서 나가지고 여기는 이제 일본 사람들
일본
배 사람들 살고
일본 놈들 거.
My father, my mother 비슷해.
하고 털털.
No names, no record about the Koreans.
바다에 방치돼 있었던 것입니다.
밤에 자는데 아파트에 나갔어요.
현병이 들어왔더라, 칼 차고.
광복 70년, 36년이나 내 나라 내 민족을 유린했던 일제의 식민 통치로부터 벗어났던 해방의 그 기쁨은 70년이 지난 지금도 온 나라에 가득합니다. 고향을 등지고 살 길을 찾아 만주로 일본으로 떠나야 했던 그 시대, 제 아버지도 고향 제주를 떠나 일본으로 건너가셨습니다. 일본을 거쳐 서태평양 얍섬으로 간 아버지는 20년을 그곳에서 지내셨습니다. 저의 아버지는 어떻게 이억만리의 섬나라까지 가셨을까요? 그곳에서는 또 어떤 삶을 사셨을까요? 제 아버지의 역사는 비단 개인의 역사는 아닐 듯합니다. 식민지 시대, 우리 모두의 아버지, 할아버지들의 이야기가 남아있는 그 길을 따라 긴 여정을 떠나볼까 합니다.
In July, actress Go Do-shim's long journey began. She was on her way to Yap Island, where her father had spent 20 years. But first, she had to stop over at Guam. Her family has come with her on this trip, which she had planned for a long time. Her older brother Go Do-sung had lived on the island until he was 9. Her son has also joined her on this journey, but the truth is, she is unsure of what to do. The only clues she has about her father's life are a few pictures. Will anyone recognize her father in the photos that were taken during his time on Yap? Will the store that her father and mother ran still be there? Nothing has been confirmed. But she set out on this journey with only a few photos and her brother's memory, who was only 9 at the time. Surprisingly enough, Go Do-shim's family meets an unexpected person on their flight to Guam. It turns out Lisa, the flight attendant, is originally from Yap. She says her great-grandfather was once the king of Yap.
우리 엄마하고 아버지가 이 얍에 살았다는 얘기를
Yeah, they were living the his father and his mother. And they were doing the market.
Feeling heartened, Go Do-shim takes out the photos. Perhaps Lisa might know something, since she's from the island. She explains that the young boy is her older brother, telling her that he's from the same town as Lisa. Lisa listens to Go Do-shim's story about her family and tells them some good news.
사촌이
historian for the island.
이 아일랜드
And maybe she can help you find
역사잖아요. 그래서 이거에 대해서 설명을 해줄 수도 있대요. 이 사람이 근데 괌이 있대요.
she's in Guam.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm sure I will try my very best to call her in the morning when we get to Guam, to call you guys at the hotel.
a chance meeting has led to a clue in their journey. Perhaps they will be able to find traces of their father after all. What could life have been like for her father on an island in the western Pacific Ocean? They must stay in Guam for a short while to transfer planes. They hasten to meet Lisa's cousin.
Hi, welcome to Guam. Nice to meet you.
Born and raised on Yap, Jay is a historian who's been studying the island for 10 years. Go-Do Shim tells her everything she heard from her father and what her brother remembers.
우리 오빠 여기 7살.
He was in 7 years old.
또 우리 sister, 우리 언니. 여기
Brother and her sister was born in here.
또 애기 또 언니, sister 또 한
And one more sister was
세
living.
사람을 거기서 나가지고
We were born in
Yeah.
그랬는데 이제 전쟁이 터진 거지.
Where was it?
Where, 어디 있-
무슨
그 바로 옆에는 남녀밭이라고 해서 다리가 있어서
다리, 다리
다리요?
뭐지?
Bridge.
브릿지.
Go-Do Sung remembers a bridge next to their house which he used to cross when he was young.
This goes in here
Jay draws a map, saying that she thinks this might be the place.
for the Western Island. This is all water. This bridge, you can come through here, underneath the bridge, this bridge. Above, you go under.
그 배들이 이렇게 들어갈 수 있대요, 요 안으로.
배 들어갈 수 있어요.
예, 예. 여기는 배가 아니라고.
다리가 상당히 너무 높아서.
예, 예, 여기 한쪽은
Slowly, they piece Go-Do Sung's memories and Jay's assumptions together, one by one.
브릿지가 있어서 사람들은 그 위로 올라다녀.
And you drive the car.
지금도.
여기는 뭐가 돼 있을까? 아버지
What is in here right now these days?
Same thing as before. You just have a lot of people living here.
많은 사람들이
And
거기
you
살고
have
있고요.
businesses around the bay.
그리고 여기서 아직도 비즈니스를 하고 있대요,
I
사업들을.
can put you in touch with somebody can help you in Yap.
Really?
Jay gives them the number of someone who can help them. Will they be able to meet anyone who remembers their father and mother?
7666.
Go-Do Shim and her family head toward Yap Island in search of her father's traces, which would have faded over the past 70 years.
Given a gun, he was given a club.
During the colonial period, Yap was called the South Sea Islands. It was a remote, primitive island that used stone money and did not mix with other cultures. The few natives were the owners of this island. The South Sea Islands refer to the 600 or so islands on the western Pacific Ocean. How did Go-Do Shim's father end up in this remote southwestern part of the Pacific?
우리나라 사람들이 남양군도 지역으로 처음 간 게 확인이 되는 거는 1917년, 18년 단계입니다. 일본이 그 당시에 남양군도를 처음 점령을 하고 개발을 시작을 하면서 이제 한국 사람들이 데려가서 노동자로 쓴 적이 있었거든요. 강제동원이 시작되는 1939년 이전, 38년 단계를 보면은 남양군도 전체에 사는 한국 사람이 704명이었습니다. 그런 거 보면은 굉장히 적은 숫자가 살았었는데 39년 이후에 강제동원이 시작되면서 1000단위로 막 늘어나기 시작을 하거든요. 그런 측면에서 전후 그 강제동원 시기가 돼서야 많은 사람들이 동원이 되기 시작했다라고 보면 되고요.
After a 3-hour flight from Guam, they finally arrive at Yap. Go-Do Shim's parents had lived here for 20 years. When her father was alive, he had always wanted to come back to this island. She's filled with emotion as she thinks about her father, who is no longer here.
울렁거려요. 아버지가 계셨더라면 막 아버지 얼굴이 떠오르고. 그나마 그래도 오빠가 지금 아직 살아계신데 이렇게 오게 돼가지고 너무 감개가 무량하죠. 우리 오빠는 지금 상당히 기분이 달떠 있을 것 같아요.
Her brother was born here. That's why he was determined to come, taking no heed of his indisposition. In 1990, Go-Do Shim and her parents set out to come to Yap. But there was a typhoon, and they had to return home from Saipan. It was a land that her father had earnestly wished to come to.
오빠 웃어야겠네. 야배 도착한 소감. 야배 도착한 소감.
내 본 고향이니까.
태어난 곳이니까.
소감 어떠냐고.
이런 사람들이었어 얼굴이? 여기에 계신 분들 같이. 어? 이런 얼굴들이야? 어?
좀 틀리지.
더 까매?
아주 커면. 아니, 스콘데이고는.
아, 이빨만 하얗다고 그러더라고. 그리고 또 빨간 거 뭐 저기 열매 같은 거 잡숴가지고 막 빨갛게 이렇게 피에 비슷한 색깔.
이빨 하얘진다고 그 열매를 먹어.
근데 빨개졌다는데?
A home they have returned to in 70 years. What will Yap Island be like now? The state of Yap is part of the Federated States of Micronesia. It is made up of 10 small islands. The island has a population of roughly 9,000 people. It is a primitive land that uses stone money even today. That is why they have the best preserved traditions in the South Sea Islands. Since the natives here have preserved their culture so well, Go Do Shim's family might be able to find traces of her father. It is their first day on Yap. They start early and meet with Mitsu, whom Jay introduced to them. If they can just find the bridge that Go Do Sung remembers, they just might be able to find the house their father lived in.
커피라이트 없는 것도 됐어요.
Copyright.
He feels strange because that he remembers the bridge like there.
was bombed during the war
Right.
because Americans severely bombed in Colonia. Most of the big buildings bombed. Now, connected, all connected. And since before, now, Yap State Legislature. Yap State Legislature now there.
이게 빛이구나.
Mitsu is Japanese, studying the history of Yap. She takes out a map of Yap drawn in the 1930s and estimates where their father's house might have been.
You know, this is
The old bridge was bombed and no longer exists, but there is a new bridge in the same location. Go Do Sung clearly remembers crossing the bridge to go to school when he was young. Nearly 70 years have passed. One by one, the faint memories come back. They head out to locate the house. Mitsu will guide them to find the traces of 70 years ago.
This is the Zero fighter. Japanese Zero, created in 1940.
The Japanese Empire had built combat planes, dreaming of world domination. Their ambition can be seen in the tragic ruins, which tell us of what happened that day 70 years ago.
실탄으로 구멍 내어버렸구만.
이런 데도 맞은 거야 이거.
If this is what happened to several inches of steel, how much more pain had the people suffered?
Or the officers left the report, written report.
The rusted ruins are a testimony of what invasion and war can cause.
American planes over more than
아픔의 잔해다.
Mitsu has brought Go Do Shim's family here for a special reason.
Japanese Navy's Marine Corps to build the airstrip, but only a few hundred soldiers. Korean workers were brought here to help construct the airstrip. I heard many Koreans also got killed by bombing.
그 이제 한국인들은 다 이 폭격에 죽었다고.
And I'm sorry, no record, no names, no record left about the Koreans.
When the U.S. joined the war after Japan's airstrike on Pearl Harbor, World War II expanded into the Pacific region, and Yap became one of the battlefields. As the Japanese Navy was stationed here, Yap became a major target of the U.S. military. Day after day, Yap was bombed, devastating the island. The bombings continued until the Japanese emperor surrendered. This road, which has been an airstrip for Yap Airport up until a while ago, was constructed through the Korean forced laborers. Roughly 700 Koreans were brought to this island, thousands of miles away from home. But there is no record of them or how they died. To the ones who barely survived, the Southern Sea Islands were a land of hunger.
초근 높이, 나무 껍질 소꼭대, 나무 뿌리기, 또 술 먹을 수 있는 거 그런 거 이제 각자 그거 뜯어 먹는 게야. 보급이 제대로 돼서 생명이라도 먹으면 기운이라도 있는데 그런 거 먹지 못하고 그냥 맨날 그걸로 해 있어. 그러니까 살이 없어. 뼈하고 이 피부 이것만 앙상해요.
In this land, the Japanese military became barbaric. Mili Atoll is located south of Yap. The Japanese military had planned on using the South Sea Islands as an advance base to occupy Southeast Asia, but they were no match for the U.S.'s air power, and nearly all the islands became isolated. The South Sea Islands were in danger of starvation as the U.S. blocked all supply routes.
밀리라는 곳이 환초 지역입니다. 그래서 외부에서 물자가 들어오지 않으면 먹고 살기가 힘든 데인데 그 안에 너무 많은 군인과 일본인 군속들이 들어와 있었던 거죠. 그리고 미군이 매일 폭격을 합니다. 그러다 보니까 먹을 게 없는 거예요.
For months, the Japanese army at Mili Atoll was unable to receive supplies. Anything that could be eaten became their target. They committed unspeakable acts of brutality.
어느 날이었나 생각지도 않은 일본인이 우리 조선인 숙소를 찾아온겨. 글쎄 고래 고기 맛 좀 보라면서 몇 덩이 던져주고 가는디 하이 저놈들이 뭔 일인가 싶더라고. 뭐 상호 사이야 좋을 리가 없지만은 끼니 사장 피자 빤 한디 큰 고기 잡은 김에 인심이나 쓰는갑다 했지. 하 근데 허기진 판이라 그랬는가 맛이 기가 막히더라고. 며칠이나 지났을까 옆에 무인도를 갔는데 거기에 사람 죽은 시체가 있더라고. 도살장서 소 돼지 잡듯이 우리 조선 사람을 범해놨는데 저때 우리들은 먹으라면서 준 고래 고기가 아니겠소? 고래 고기라고 속아갖고 인육을 먹었으니 세상 천지에 그런 일이 있어.
The Joseon people were outraged by their atrocities, and the Japanese army slaughtered 200 Koreans who revolted against them. 10 survived miraculously and were rescued by the U.S. Army.
당시 일본군에 갔다 왔던 사람들은 그 얘기를 한 번씩은 다 들어봤고 그리고 겪어보게 됐던 그런 뭐 광범위한 그런 사건들이었었기 때문에 꼭 밀리섬에서만 그런 일이 벌어졌었다라고는 장담할 수가 없고요. 아마도 다른 더 섬에서도 더 그런 일들이 벌어졌을 텐데 다만 세상에 알려지지 않은 것뿐이다. 그렇게 좀 추정이 됩니다.
These were people who left their homes for Japan and the South Sea Islands, believing the promises of the Japanese government general that they'd been given farmland. No one told them that they would never come back alive if they agreed to be drafted. Once the draft order was issued, both men and women alike were taken away, not even knowing why.
밤이 자는데 면 병상이하고 그저 지소 직원들하고 밤이 맞춰는 와서 데려갔어요.
As the young men had already been drafted into the army, teenage boys and girls and middle-aged people were taken away as well. If they were caught trying to escape, they'd be recaptured, beaten half to death. People who were starving due to Japan's exploitations boarded ships to Japan, believing that they'd be able to eat and earn money.
6학년 교실로 곤도라는
이름을 쓰는 현병이 들어왔더라. 칼 차고. 일본 가면 중학교를 첫째 보내준다는 그 말 한마디에 그도 일본 가서 공부하고 오면 그도 학교 선생이라 좀 할까.
Over 1,000 students from all across Korea crossed the Straits of Korea. Young Gum-duk was one of them. But instead of being sent to school, she had to spend 12 hours a day at a plant painting combat planes.
그때는 일본 놈이 죽으라면 죽어야지 뭐. 눈 딱 감고 시키는 대로 해야 돼. 일본 놈 5이 나왔더만. 뒷간에만 갔다 와도 따라와서 지키고 이놈들이 그래 도망갈까 봐. 그 이튿날 일본서 옷 갖고 왔더란께. 딱 입혀갖고 완전 채워갖고.
The naive young boys were given a uniform that seemed legitimate and an armband that looked like a medal, inflating them with momentary pride. In 1905, the Gwanbu ferry set sail from Busan to Japan for the first time. In the late 1920s, Koreans boarded for financial reasons, and in the late 1930s, they were taken away by force. Tens of thousands of Koreans had to leave their homes. As many as 150,000 a year boarded the ferry headed to Shimonoseki.
낮에는 이 비행기가 무서우니까 밤에만 배가 떴거든 연락선을. 그래서 그 현해탄이라고 그 중간에 가서 배가 막 그냥 이렇게 뒤집히는 것 같아요. 그냥 몇천 명 탔는데도 큰 배거든요. 그냥 구토하고 어린아이들 그냥 막 울고 여자들 그냥 신음소리 아주 그냥 굉장했어요. 그게 상기역이나 마찬가지요 그냥.
Koreans endured 12 long hours on the ferry, arriving at Shimonoseki in Yamaguchi Prefecture, Japan. It had long been a center of transportation and commerce. During the Japanese rule, Koreans crossed the strait and arrived here. They were confined in warehouses for 2 or 3 days before being taken to the train station next to the port to be sent off to wherever Korean laborers were needed.
이곳 시모노세키에 도착한 조선인들은 일본 전역으로 퍼져나갔습니다. 북쪽 끝 홋카이도의 탄광에서부터 남서쪽 나가사키의 지옥섬이라 불리는 군함도까지 먹고 살 길을 찾아서 현해탄을 건너온 식민지 시대 70만 조선인들. 일본 사람들은 그들을 탁고라고 불렀습니다. 문어라는 말인데요. 통발에 갇힌 문어들처럼 산다고 해서 붙여진 이름이라고 합니다. 도대체 나라를 잃고 고향을 등지고 일본으로 건너온 그들의 삶은 과연 어떠했을까요?
Even now, the Japanese government is trying to hide its history of forced labor. Nagasaki Port in southwest Japan. Recently, cruise operators here are suddenly enjoying a big boom in business. Nearly 1,000 tourists a day board the cruise ships and head toward Hashima, which is an hour away. Hashima is a small island that had been abandoned for 40 years. Why are the Japanese taking a sudden interest in it? On this island is Japan's first concrete apartment building. At one time, Hashima had a higher population density than Tokyo. It is also called Battleship Island because it resembles a battleship. It had been an uninhabited island, but when coal mines were developed, 5,300 resided here at one time and had the highest population density in Japan. But when the mines closed in 1974, it was abandoned and became a ghost island. However, it came under the spotlight when the Japanese government and the Nagasaki local government had it listed as a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage. As Hashima was re-evaluated as an industrial heritage that led to Japan's modernization, many Japanese have come to visit the island. However, buried deep under the crumbling concrete, there lies an ugly truth of an empire which the Japanese government wishes to conceal and a bloody history that cannot be hidden.
そういった複雑なものをはがんだ世界遺産になりそうです。これが世界遺産の場所であっても、この中で働いたいろんな人がいます。海外の人がいます。そういった人たちのこともしっかりと考える場所であるのかもわかりません。そしてまた国が史跡に指定しました。なんとか建物を残していくそうです。その残し方、軍艦島の形を残したいと。なぜ軍艦島の形を残したいのか、見せ物にしたいからでしょ。はい。
To the Japanese, Hashima is just another tourist destination. But Japan is turning a blind eye to the brutal history hidden here. The peace archives in Nagasaki Prefecture, where Hashima is located. It is the base of the Nagasaki Association for Protecting Human Rights of Korean Residents in Japan, comprised of Japanese members. They have been uncovering the hidden history of Hashima for decades. In 1994, they discovered a decisive piece of evidence that told the truth of what happened on Hashima.
これをたどっていけばわかります。軍艦島は1974年に炭鉱を閉山しましてですね、無人島になるわけですけど、火葬埋葬任居証というものがですね、なんと無人島の島にこの倉庫のようなところへですね、そのまま放置されていたわけですね。当時は野母崎町のあざはしまというですね、この、行政が永久保存すべきものをですね、その島に残されていたものをある研究者がですね、おおこれはと言ってその自分の家に持ち帰ってですね、分析などをしていたんです。
It was a list of the Korean people that had died on Hashima.
マスですね。しかし急性心臓麻痺とかですね。
According to the document, 122 Koreans died on this island. But why did they die here?
その約半数はいわゆる変死というものなんですね。暴力的な、事件によって、亡くなったのではないかと疑われるようなですね、そういう、日本では変死と申しますが、それが約半数を占めるということがわかる。
They were all miners or the family of miners who had been forcefully drafted. The people who died on this island called it the Island of Hell. Numerous Koreans were taken to coal mines all across Japan, but Hashima was not like the others.
(3,800자를) 내려가요. 맞소. 3,800자를 들어가. 3,800자를 들어갔으니 그 갱물이 사방에서 안 떨어지? 떨어져. 막 사방에서 떨어져. 그 바닷물을 마저 살이 걸고 짓물러요. 그런 데를 가가 고생을 하는데.
The mines were so narrow that they could not stand up straight. They had to dig up a certain quota, so they couldn't even relieve themselves. Their skin festered and got sores due to the salt water.
형무소랑 같단 게 징역 산 놈이나 똑같아. 나도 나오고 잡아서 다리를 자르려고 했단 게. 석탄 구르마 오면 그냥 다리 확 집어 넣어 물고 뚝딱 잘라지게. 그래야 집에 보내줄게.
It was indeed hell on earth. Korean laborers, unable to endure the torturous labor and hunger, jumped into the sea despite the risk of drowning. But escaping the island wasn't easy. Those who were caught trying to escape were tortured brutally. They would be tortured with water or hung upside down where a fire was lit underneath them. To the Japanese, Koreans were not humans.
도망을 2번이나 나가서 갔어요. 도망을 2번 가가지고는 2번 다 실패해가지고 붙들려가지고서는 와가지고는 이제 그 사람들한테 꼭 밤에면 끌어다가 때리는 거야. 밤 10시쯤에서. 그래가지고 사흘 나흘씩 맞다 보면은 나중에는 걸어 다닐 수가 없어요. 여가 부어가지고. 화장실에 가서 앉지를 못했어요.
On a small plot on the mainland where Hashima can be seen, there is a grave for a nameless Korean. His body floated up on the surface after he drowned trying to escape Hashima, and he was buried here. Even today, he looks out at the hellish island of Hashima, unable to rest in peace.
일본으로 건너온 70만 조선인들 중에는 또다시 일본 본토를 떠나 남양군도로 향한 사람들도 있었습니다. 남양군도는 당시 일본이 점령하고 있던 지금의 미크로네시아 연방의 섬들인데요. 남양군도에 대한 지배를 확고히 하고자 당시 일본 정부에서는 대대적인 이주 정책을 펼치고 있었습니다. 제 아버지도 일본 본토를 떠나 남양군도 얍섬으로 향했습니다.
Go Do-shim's father went to Japan around 1920. After a year, he had to leave for Yap Island. After that, he lived on Yap for 20 years.
아유, 오빠는 감회가 새롭겠네, 정말. 엄마하고 손잡고 가고 아버지하고 손잡고 갔던 다리잖아. 안 걸어간다고 막 추정하면서 했겠지. 업어달라고 그러기도 하고.
여기 앉아가지고 막 울기도 하고.
그러면 그 다리에서 건너가지고 와서 이렇게 집으로 이렇게 갔단 말이지, 맨날. 이 길이 맞아?
Go-Do-sung remembers that after crossing the bridge, he would turn right to where the store and house was. There is no way to find the store and house in the photo. Based on his memory, they would have been around here somewhere. Perhaps there may be someone who remembers their father's store, but 70 years is a long time.
여기는 이제 일본 사람들, 뱃사람들 살고.
일본 놈들 그 고기나 그저 거북이니 뭐니 잡아다가 암새랑 두드러 먹었지 우리 어린 때는.
여기 이거 메기판 여기 터가 그런 거 같으네. 느낌이. Hi.
Hi. Hi. How long you stay here? How long have you been staying here?
I've been here when I was 5 years old.
5 years. How about the people who live in here?
Maybe my father-in-law knows.
Your father is living here?
Yeah, my father-in-law.
Your father-in-law?
Yeah, he knows people that live here.
아버지 살아계셔?
Does he live here?
Yeah, he lives here.
Can we talk?
You have to go around in the yard. Yeah.
Can we talk?
Yeah, sure. I will go ask my sister-in-law.
Okay, thank you.
I'm 35 years old.
86세래 아버지가.
So you go there.
가만 알겠다 제가.
If he has lived here all his life, he might just remember their father's store.
My father.
This is her and his father.
My mother. 이 웨딩.
It's wedding picture.
이거는 저 고향에 돌아가서 이제 한
After
거고.
they went back to Korea.
이거 마켓 직원들.
Oh, and this is the market staffs. Do you remember anyone?
The daughter says she knows someone in the photo.
Yeah, our grandfather, one of our grandfather.
Oh, this is your grandfather?
He's from Romong Island.
North.
Oh, yeah. This is
He
his
died.
Relative.
grandfather.
Relative.
아, relatives.
Yeah.
자기 친척이라고 이 사람이.
Yeah.
Wow. My father, my mother, brother.
Albert begins to remember long forgotten memories. Perhaps it will lead to a small clue.
Forget the name.
My mother from Germany.
German. 독일.
Oh, yeah.
사진
In their father's photo album, there was a picture of a German woman who lived nearby.
아니 이분 얼굴이 이 코랑 너무 비슷해.
그리고 아빠는 러시아 사람이었고 엄마는 그 독일 사람.
집 그 패밀리가 한 가족이 있었대.
That's one family in here, right?
Yeah.
German and Russia.
Yeah.
오케이.
Here.
Albert shows them a photo of his mother. Could she be the German woman in their father's photo album?
His sister.
여기가 엄마고.
아유 근데 이거 허여에서 뭐 볼 수가 없다. 비슷해. 비슷해.
Yeah, she remembers.
비슷해.
Yeah, it looks.
여기가 머리가 뽀글뽀글 이렇게 파마.
Yeah, she was doing the choir.
예. 그래. 맞아.
Oh, yeah, she's saying yes.
That's the one she remembered. Okay.
Wow.
Sorry.
The picture is faded, but the two women in the two photos look very much alike. That means the little boy in the picture is the man sitting before them.
여기 머리가 이렇게 돼가지고 뽀글뽀글 이렇게 코가 이렇게 좀.
It's like this.
Yeah, I saw some.
잘생긴 남자같이 생겼었거든.
Your father and mother is really friendly with them, and they remember.
Now, they must find out about their father's store, which Albert might remember.
Market. He was doing the market in here.
Yeah.
Do you remember after the World War II, who took over that market? Do you remember?
Bomb.
Oh.
They hadn't expected the store to still be there, but they had still hoped. Go Do-sung looks sad at the news. Albert gives them directions to where the store used to be.
저기 그 마켓의 그 중간에서 그 가게가 있었다고.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just being able to meet someone who remembered their parents from so far away has made this journey meaningful.
Thank you.
감옥ar.
Forced mobilization of Koreans did not just happen in Yap. It occurred all over the South Sea Islands. One of the islands was Palau, where Japan had built a military base. The manpower used to construct the base was provided by Koreans that had been forcefully mobilized. But when the war was at its height, they became human shields, and some were even taken away to be suicide terrorists and died in foreign lands.
우리 민족의 아픔과 고통 다시는 찾아오지 않도록 도와주시길 원하겠습니다.
In 2007, a monument was raised in Palau to commemorate the tragic deaths of these people.
41년 전쟁이 발발하니까 이민을 온 사람들이 이 축성을 쌓는데 하고 그 다음에 식량으로 변해버렸어요. 그래가지고 비에 써 있지만도 한 5천 내지 6천 명 정도가 되어 있는데 아마 대부분이 다 돌아가신 걸로 알고 있어요.
This bridge that was built by Korean laborers during World War II is known as the Aigo Bridge. It was built as a supply route to transport military supplies between islands.
그때 그 일하는 사람들이 아이고 죽겠다 그 계속 연발을 했어요. 그래가지고 여기서 죽어나는 사람도 있고 그 소리가 주민들한테 그 들려가지고 그 후에 돌아간 후에 주민들이 이거 다리를 갖다가 알고 다리라고 명명을 한 겁니다.
This bridge that was built with the pain of Korean laborers does not have a nameplate with an official name. Instead, there is only a Japanese monument stating that this bridge was built to promote friendship. The ambition of Japanese imperialism was to occupy all of Asia surrounding the Pacific and creating a great Asian empire. They made the entire region of Asia into a war zone. The war that they caused took the lives of 20 million Asians. Kanchanaburi, Thailand, where the Kwai River flows. The Kwai River serves as the border between Thailand and Myanmar. It too was unable to avoid the blade of the Japanese Empire. The railroad along the river was built in 1942 when the Pacific War was raging on. Rocky mountains and cliffs had to be cut through to lay the railroad tracks, and the Japanese mobilized 200,000 POWs of the Allied forces to do so.
สงครามเนี่ยที่มาสงครามเฉลิมศึกที่มาส่วนใหญ่เนี่ยถ้าจะนับคนก็จะลำบากแต่เขาให้นับไม้หมอนที่ทำจากหนองปลาดุกไปถึงพม่าเนี่ยมีไม้หมอนกี่ท่อนล่ะคนเฉลิมศึกก็ตายเท่าจำนวนนั้นขณะนี้ก็ทั้งหมดมัน400กว่ากิโลเมตร400ใช่ไหม400 500กิโลเมตรเนี่ย
100,000 people were sacrificed on this road, known as the Railroad of Death. Kun Pan Pong clearly remembers the horrors that occurred while building these tracks.
เขาก็ขาดอาหารเนี่ยนะฮะเห็นว่าอาหารเนี่ยมีแต่ข้าวต้มกับเกลืออย่างดีก็จะมีแตงกวาสักลูกอะไรเงี้ยมันก็ขาดอาหารแล้วก็เป็นโรคหลายโรคอ่ะนะฮะก็ บอกว่าเขาขาดแคลนโดยเฉพาะโรคมาลาเรียโรคคอตีบโรคผิวหนัง
แล้วเขาก็เอาไอ้ศพเนี่ยที่ตายนะทิ้งลงไปในบ่อนั้นตอนเช้าวันหนึ่งจะ2 รอบเช้าแล้วก็ตอนเย็นก็ประมาณสัก 5-6 โมงเย็นพอทิ้งตอนเช้าเสร็จแล้วเอาปูนขาวเนี่ยโรยคือกันไม่ให้เชื้อโรคกับแมลงวันใช่ไหมแล้วก็พอตอนเย็นนี้พอทิ้งไปอีกทีมันก็เกือบเต็มนะแล้วมันก็โรยแล้วเอาดินกบ
Did by the Tokyo Express.
Hundreds of POWs from dozens of countries died, suffering from harsh labor and illness. They died like animals at the hands of the Japanese army, but there are no bodies in their graves. Only their names and their nationalities are engraved on their gravestones. Today, people from all over the world come to pay their respects.
It's a little bit scary because there are so much people who died in the war for building the bridge. So, yeah, respect, yeah.
The tracks are still used today. The trains of the Kwai River run on as they pass each railroad tie, which were laid down with the painful cries of victims. Go Do Shim's family head out to find their father's store, which was destroyed by bombing during the war.
아니 여기는 집이 있었대잖아.
Go Do Shim and her family linger at the place, hoping to find a trace of their parents.
물동 같은 그런 것들. 그지?
아니 이거 물 끓이는 거 하나 있네.
그 할아버지 말로는 여기라고.
여기라고. 그 영감 얘기하는 것이 맞을 거예요. 오래도록 본 사람이 맞지. 우리는 간단히 어린 때 본 거니까.
그분은 11살 때쯤이니까.
그럼 여기가 가게 위치면은 집은 여기 그러면 요 앞을
네, 매립해가지고.
아버님 매립해서.
매립해가지고 여기 살았죠.
Without Go Du-sung's faint memories, they would not have been able to find a piece of history from 70 years ago.
아유 여기 와서 어떻게 살았을까. 그지 아버지가 혼자서 여기 와서 읽으려면은 얼마나 힘들었겠어. 아휴.
History becomes lost when memories disappear. History that has become faint simply becomes the past. It is why we must revive the memories of witnesses before it is too late. When the war broke out in 1941, Go Du-shim's parents escaped from Yap Island with their 3 children on a wooden boat. It was a life-risking decision made by their father.
深く世界の体制と帝国の現状とに鑑み非常の時
얼마나 기뻤을까요? 얼마나 감격스러웠을까요?
꽝 하고 터져 그냥 가운데가 뚝 끊어져버리는 거야. 우키시마 호에 탔다가 살아온다랍니다.
침몰한 오키시마호 선체는 무려 9년 동안이나 여기 마이즈루만 바다에 방치돼 있었던 것입니다.
下から来るから
それは戦害機でしたか?
우키시마호에 탄 한국인들의 바람은 오직 하나였습니다. 어서 이 지긋지긋한 일본 땅을 벗어나 내 고향, 내 가족들의 품으로 돌아가는 것. 그들의 꿈은 아직도 이곳 마이즈루 항을 맴돌고 있을 것입니다.